Hello, I'm going to give a short demo on the 360 SharePoint integration new functionalities that are released with the 360 Online May release. So the main new functionalities are possibility to import files from SharePoint from 360 to SharePoint and a new way to archive files from SharePoint to 360. So if we go to the app configuration screen, we see that we have a new drop-down here with two archiving methods. User archiving, which is the method we have previously already released, where a user can archive a file from SharePoint and be redirected to the document registration in 360 to complete the registration. Now with this centralized archiving, we give the possibility for the users to just send files from SharePoint to 360 import archive, and then they will be centrally registered through the unregistered documents view. So once we have the centralized archiving selected and the user selects files, there's a new option here, send to 360, and from there user can decide if they want to create a single document for the selected files or create a separate document for each file they have selected. And once they click on send to 360, the files will be sent to the 360 import archive and can be registered through the unregistered documents view in 360. Until the documents are registered, this not registered status will be displayed. And the other new functionality is the possibility to import files from 360. So here we have the possibility to search for cases or documents. I'm going to search for a case, and once I select the case, it will list all the documents under the case and all the files under each document. We have some additional information on the case and documents available as well. Here, a user can then select the files that they want to import and click on the file import. If there are restricted files, an icon is displayed, and if a user selects restricted files, they are notified that you're about to import the restricted files, and they get the opportunity to include or exclude those files. We also have a global setting restricting the import of restricted files completely, so that users cannot import restricted files through this integration. I'm going to include this time, and then the files will be imported, and the page refreshes, and we should see the archiving status here. One more new functionality which is available for SharePoint Online is the possibility to add the needed app permissions from the configuration screen. So we have a check connection button here that will check for the needed app permissions, and if they are not set, there will be another button here to set the needed permissions. But in this case, the permissions already exist, so that's okay. That's all. Thanks.